and welcome to For The Drive. The last 6 days has been absolutely blissfully warm and sunny and things like that, especially considering we're getting to the end of September now, and today it's decided to rain, which is so typical of the British weather, but never mind. Hopefully the sun is trying to show itself again and dry out the little bit of rain that's fallen in the last hour or so. But anyway, the reason why I'm here is I am at the Departure Lounge Cafe, which many of you know if you watch the 4 Marks Car Club videos is quite a particularly favourite venue of ours for meeting up and doing breakfast and then going off to the main events and things. Well, we've actually organised a barbecue for all the Supercar Club members, so he's opened up in the afternoon and has allowed this entire field behind us to be filled with the members' cars. So today is very much like a social event because it's very difficult to get to know each other at car events. You're always wandering around, there's so many people there, especially the big events, and everyone has their own a different agenda for the day. So today is very much trying to meet and greet as many people as we can and get to know and kind of bring the community of 4 Marks Car Club even tighter, because everyone complements it and we just want to make it better and better basically. So I'm here a little early to try and capture some of the cars arriving, so very shortly I'm sure I'll start hearing very loud noises and lots of cylinders pumping away as the cars start to arrive. And it says we've got this beautiful field behind us. Sit back and enjoy the ride. See you guys in a sec. Hello. What's that?
But you're ready now. Bling bling, running round and you don't care. Feel the pressure in your head. Now, now my money is a grade. You fuck with baby, they'll pick it up. You didn't know, but you're ready now. Baby.
You alright, mate?
Do my thing, my girl is in the club. my bling bling, running round and you don't care. Feel the pressure in your head. Now, now my money is a grade. You thought the baby they'll pick it up. You didn't know but you're ready now. Baby, rise up. I do my thing, I do my thing. Feeling like I do my best, but I don't. Baby, rise up. I do my thing, I do my thing. Riches, I'm doing it in the club, in the club. Rise up. I do my thing, I do my thing. Feeling like I do my best, but I don't.
See you, buddy. Yeah. Bye. Hey guys. Guys. Alright, see you later, boys. See you, buddy. Be good. See you in the next one. Yeah. So as you can tell, the sun has very much fallen below the skyline. It has been a pretty nice event. A little bit of rain during some of the people turning up, but very, very nice, and a really great, cool, chilled atmosphere between all the members of Full Marks Car Club. But that's it. I mean, literally, the Hurricane is probably one of the last cars to go after being cleaned by Finesse Detailing, and I'm going to head on home now as well. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.